Today I'm doing an unboxing on the HQUA WF3-12 whole house water filtration system. These are much smaller compact filter housings compared to the previous model. This is the brand new system that HQUA just came out with. Right now we're going to focus on unboxing this and seeing what we have in the box. I always pull up on these just so you don't cut anything inside. And let's see what we have. Right on top is our parts list. Bunch of different parts in there. Some silicone lubricant and some Teflon tape. Pretty nice setup. We'll open this in a little bit and I'll show you everything else that's in there. In the box here, we have the brush. This is for cleaning your housings when you service the filters. So the next thing that's in the box that's right on top would be your gauges. You're going to get 3 of these, one for each filter. These gauges are a nice addition to this system because what they do is they give you an actual pressure reading on each one of your filters. So you're not only accounting for the amount of time, you're also accounting for the pressure loss in the system. So you have multiple ways of knowing when the filters are getting weak. Let's take a look at the gauge. This is a very nice gauge. These gauges are oil filled. This is what you see in a lot of industrial applications. You're going to get one for each one of your filters. The first filter that we have in here is our sediment filter. Let's talk about the sediment filter now. The sediment filter is going to remove dirt, sand, silt, and suspended solids like iron. This will lower the turbidity in the water and make it crystal clear. Now that we know about the sediment filter, let's take a look at the housing. This thing is heavy duty. You can tell by the weight of it, it's very thick. You have 2 O-rings on here. You have one on the outside here and one on the top here. This is extra protection from water leaks, which is a very common problem with water filters. This is not going to crack. It is very, very heavy duty and strong. Another thing that's in the box here is your filter wrench. This is used for taking on and off your filter housings. You just slide this on there and you can turn and take these off. Let's get to our next filter here. This is the GAC plus KDF filter cartridge. This filter can remove lead, mercury, arsenic, cadmium, and chromium. Heavy metals like this build up in your body over time and can cause a lot of health problems. This is the carbon fiber filter cartridge. This filter removes PFAS, also known as forever chemicals, lead, cadmium, chlorine, which is found in municipal water, odor like sulfur, and improves color, giving your water a crystal clear look. Not only do these filters give you better drinking water in your house, but they'll also give you better shower water, which means your skin's going to be healthier and your hair. This is a little heavy, but that's good. It's built, it's high quality, it's not cheap, flimsy metal. There's not a whole lot to it. Put your filter in the housing and lubricate and screw your housing in. You're going to have your gauges on top. The gauges are going to go on here and they're going to indicate what the pressures are on each one of your filters. On the top of this housing, you're going to see your indicators here for each filter. This is going to give you the amount of time that the filters are good for. So if you change just your sediment filter, you can reset just the sediment filter. It's going to give you your 6 months and it'll tell you when to change it. So you can change your filter separately. The sediment filter is going to get dirty first and then your other filters. So you don't need to change them all at the same time. That's going to save you some money. This is the bottom of the housing. This is extremely heavy duty. I love the quality of this because you can tell that they didn't go cheap on this, and you don't want to go cheap. The last thing you want is a water leak in your house causing damage to the house. Let's get into installation. With your installation kit here, this is a very nice thing that HQUA does, is they supply you with a 1-inch fitting to tie into your plumbing. They also give you a 3/4 inch adapter to go from the 1-inch to a 3/4 inch. When you tie into your plumbing, you can use a shark bite and either 3/4 inch or 1-inch, and this will screw directly into that. That covers your tie-ins on both ends. To mount the housing, if you go directly into studs, which is preferred, you can avoid having to use anchors. But if you need to use anchors, guess what? HQUA supplies you with the anchors and the screws to fasten this to the wall. Teflon tape. You're going to use Teflon tape when you put your stainless steel fittings into the housing. And when you tie into your house plumbing, if you get a shark bite fitting and with the MPT thread, you can use this on there. Okay, so this is a silicone-based lubricant. You do not want to use a petroleum-based lubricant on these O-rings. It will cause the O-rings to flex, and that's what causes leaks. Use this stuff. The next thing inside of your kit here is the stickers that go to each one of the filters. This sediment filter is 10-inch by 5.5. That is the housing size, okay? The filter size is 10-inch by 4.5. That is very common for this particular type of filter. You'll see a lot of the home house filters are 10-inch by 4.5. Here are some maintenance tags that you can record the date, who did it, and the initial pressure of the setup. Finally, our instruction manual. Let's have a look at this. You're not going to struggle with this. It's very large print. It has pictures, which I love. Even inside, it is large print. It's laid out very nice. It's easy to follow. You can see there's not a whole lot of steps. It includes troubleshooting, just like most manuals do. It's going to list all of the parts in here. It's going to list all of the part numbers. So if you need to look something up, or if you need to reach out to customer support, you have the part number right here to let them know. This is going to show you how to install the system. It's going to show you how to install it to the wall. It's going to show you how to install your O-rings, how to install your pressure gauges, how to use the filter wrench. It's going to talk about maintenance, but everything is in the book. It's simple to follow, and it's not a huge instruction manual. They get right down to the point. At the end, they have troubleshooting, and you can also reach out to their customer service. 1-year limited warranty. I keep this with the system. I'm going to show you what my system looks like and explain how I have my setup. I'm basically going to be replacing this single filter here and adding the 3 pre-filters before it goes into my carbon tank, my water softener. And as you see, I have the HQUA UV filter at the end of the whole filtration system. It's the last thing before it goes to the house. That's my setup. Depending on what you're doing, you may just need the 3-stage filter, and that's it. You can't beat the quality of this system, its compact size, and the improvement that it's going to make to the drinking water in your house. Buy it now. Trust me. Stop searching.